circus clown. All forms. Turn around, just push it down, you know. Just push it all the way down, and when you give it gas, it don't go nowhere, then you know it's in neutral. And you just shift it up one. And just go slow and take a bicycle.
Ah!
Like a bicycle, you don't have to pedal.
Be careful, honey, because that's dangerous. Yeah, because you'll be like, well, with my weight, I'm sliding all over the place.
So,
yeah, it's in neutral. Up.
Don't run me over.
That's barely gassy.
brake. You can hit too, because it doesn't, you know, it won't.
They ain't gonna make your foot move. Okay.
But if you really got to stop, just push down the gear.
Yeah.
And it'll, when you want to stop, just do that. Put it first, then second. Then when you shift it down, it'll go.
That little edge thing is kind of wiggly. That thing is kind of wiggly for, you know, being on the edge right there.
Yeah.
So funny.
Made it further than. Get her out there on the flat property.
Yep.
She lets it break, lets it down, and she'll see. Saw it, boom. But if she gets it neutral, then she's fine. They just keep rolling, boom. And she'll be like, oh, what do I do? What do I hit?